Hi, my name is Anubhav Singh. I'm a first year student at Indian Institute of Management Nagpur. I have a 12 months of work experience and my graduation is in Industrial Production Engineering. Quant was my strongest section in the CAT exam. I limited my focus broadly on these three topics: algebra, arithmetic and geometry. Also, with a good amount of practice, I realized which topics I was very good at and also the topics which were coming repeatedly in the mocks and I need to practice more on them. Also, my strategy for D-Day was that I wanted to solve as many questions as possible in the first 15 minutes of the exam, which significantly boosted my confidence and helped me to manage my time in the rest of the exam. After I started preparing for CAT exam, I had the same perception as most of the students that you have to be very fast in solving quant questions, or the students from elite colleges are able to easily crack the CAT exam. But what I believe is that you don't have to be a genius to crack the CAT exam. You just have to be consistent and diligent. I believe CAT exam tests your problem solving skills and also your time management skills. So I would say focus on those topics which will fetch you the maximum marks in the shortest amount of preparation. My top 3 suggestions for students preparing for CAT exams are: please focus on those topics which are repeatedly appearing in mocks. Also, prepare the basics of modern maths and number system, which will actually help you in solving many of the LRDI sets. To everyone who's preparing for CAT exam, I would say be motivated, spend a good amount of time with your friends and family. I'm sure you will excel in this exam given your hard work, and all the best.